Okay, hello class. Today I'm going to give you your instructions for completing your homework. Very, very important that you follow my rules, okay? Just the way I give them to you. So I'm going to write it out. So page 31, you're going to read everything to yourselves. Do not skip anything. And then page 32, you have a first homework exercise, and it's 7-1, and you're going to write 3 times perfect each row. So I'm going to start at the very first row, and you're incorporating the new letters that you've learned, double characters. So I'm going to write the first letters, and so it's going to be K, W, S, R, Q, V, K, R. Okay, so look over here. That's why you want to have this in steno. You don't want to have it in English. So I'm going to go back up, and I'm going to see if I wrote it correctly. K, W, follow the book, S, R, Q, V, soft C. Okay, so I wrote it correctly, and so I'm going to go on and write another one. I could either write PF just to let them know I'm starting another one, and so it's going to be K, W, S, R, Q, S, R, K, R. Okay, so I'm going to check it again, make sure I did it correctly. And so we start K, W, S, R, Q, V, K, R. So that's 2 perfect ones. So now I'm going to complete a third one. So I'm going to do it for the third time. K, W, S, R, Q, V, K, R. I'm going to check it. And here it is. K, W, S, R, Q, S, R, K, R. Perfect. I'm done with that first row. Now I'm going to go to the second row because it's 3 times perfect each row across. So it's going to be Ka, Kwa, Sa, Va, SQ. Okay? And so I'm checking it, and I'm going to go on and on until I have 3 perfect rows, you all. You're going to do all of 7-1 like that. Take your time, check your work, complete extras if you'd like. Okay? And now I'm going to 7-2, 3 times perfect each column. So you have to break it up in columns first. So you're going to break up that through quip. Make sure that this is very important. So go into your book with a pencil and highlight that is the very first word, and you're going to go all the way down to quip. And you're just going to put a line so you know where to break it up. That through quip, and then follow your homework sheet, zip through squirt. Okay, and how many times are we going to write them perfect? 3 times perfect. So I'm going to have 3 little columns. So I'm going to start that, vet, quit, quell, quip. Check my words. That, so I'm going to go over here and check the steno. That, vet, quit, quell, quip. So I'm done with that one. So how many times do I have to do it? 3. So I'm going to do it again. I can write PF to let her know I'm going to the next one. That, vet, quit, quell, quip. So I check it, and we have that, vet, quit, quell, quip. Perfect. So I'm going to do another one because it has to be how many perfect little columns? 3. So I'm going to go one more time. That, vet, quit, quell, quip. Check it. That, vet, quit, quit, quell, quip. Perfect. So I'm done with that little group of words. I go on to the next one. Zip through squirt. Remember, on the left side you have what the English word is. The right side is the steno notes. That's what your notes should look like in case you don't know how to write the word. Okay? And so you break them up first. Look at your homework sheet. Break it up on page 32 with the pencil so you know where to write the groups of words. Complete extra ones. And then go on. Check your work, y'all. Very important. Read the top of page 33. And you have twice perfect the phrases in the middle of page 33. So the phrases are zip it up and through many quarts. So the first column is going to be written twice perfect. So I'm going to write it. PF, so I'm going to write zip it up. Stop the bet. Zig or zag, pop quiz, have the quiz, a full quart, many quarts. So I'm going to check it. And I'm going to go up here because I'm writing zip it up. So let me look for zip it up. And so we've got zip it up. Stop the vet. Zig or zag. And then pop quiz. Have the quiz. A full quart. Many quarts. Okay, so that's perfectly done. So now I'm going to write it twice, another time. So I'm going to write it again. PF, just to let her know I'm done with it. Zip it up. Stop the vet. I'm tempted to put periods, but I'm not. Zig or zag. Pop quiz. Have the quiz. A full quart. Many quarts. Okay, so I'm going to check it again. Zip it up. So I just like go over here, zip it up, stop the vet, zig or zag, pop quiz, have the quiz, a full quart, many quarts. Perfect. So I'm done with that one. Now I go to the second column and I'm going to do it twice perfect, okay? Fill the vat through short verse. You have the steno outlined there on the right side in case you don't know how to do it. Or not do it, but stroke the words. Very, very important that you all follow my directions. And then the sentences. You're going to write sentences 1 through 16 twice perfect each sentence. So the quilt is red. Remember, you have to include your punctuation. The quilt is red, period. Okay, and I wrote it wrong, so I have to rewrite it because I just saw the quit is red. So I look over here and it's the quilt. So here I go. The quilt is red, period. Okay, I'm going to check it. The quilt is red, period. One more time. The quilt is red, and I misstroked it. So I'm 3 times, and then I'm going to stroke it again because I had one perfect one. So I'm going to write the quilt is red, period. Okay, so I'm done with that. And then I go to the next one. Dad is quitting, period. Check it. Go over here to my notes. Dad is quitting. Dad is quitting, period. So I'm done with that one. So I'm going to go to the next one. Okay, and on. Include your punctuation. Remember, you have the notes on page 34. If you don't know how to write the sentences, you have them on page 34. Take your time, check your work, and complete extras, okay? All of you are doing very well. Don't get discouraged. We want to just show you how to do it right correctly the first time. Check your work, do extras, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day, you all.